Quick reading for February the 19th to February the 20th. Virgo, we have the Five of Cups, the Moon card, and the Justice. So, medyo nalungkot tayo nito mga nakaraang araw kasi siguro nag-assume tayo no, na nabaliwala tayo, nag-assume tayo na our person is putting their attention into someone else's probably energy. Parang feeling mo napabayaan ka. Hindi naman yun sa ganun. I feel like meron dito mga explanations and dapat natin pakinggan itong explanations na to kasi ito yung mga time siguro na sinasabi mong if you're connecting the dots, parang yung mga time na yun sinasabi mo, make it make sense. So ito na yun. These are the answers, these are the clarity, no? Na pwedeng, talagang ito yung nangyari. So parang iba lang talaga yung interpretation natin that time. Pero one thing is for sure, wala naman siyang ginagawa. Ang masakit lang, yun nga, naunahan natin ng assumption, kaya medyo sumama ang loob natin. So this is your quick reading of Virgo for February the 19th to February the 20th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.